Hi, I'm Antman. Welcome to Kleen Kraft Services. I'm Director of Plant Operations, and welcome to our plant. The cart washer provides us an extra level of safety and hygiene for our customers. We are able to use 150-degree water as opposed to running hose water to clean our carts. We use the product MicroKlean from Norchem to wash the carts. It is a great product. It disinfects all our products. We use it for our hampers, we use it for our folding tables. We use MicroKlean for almost anything we have to clean here in our plant. And it's proven to work because we do our ATP testing on a regular basis, and we find that it kills a lot of the bacteria. We do about 60% food processing companies as our customer. We have the HACCP program, so we consider anything that's a surface, like surface for garments, surface for food, we use it as the same quality. We do a cycle of about 2 minutes, so we can get 20 to 25 parts per hour. And we do the swab testing, the ATP testing, and everything's coming out really good. It's an unbelievable product. It does exactly what we asked.